staying in school. Time passed, and soon I completed class 5. I knew that we would need to spend more in class 6. Okay. My parents said that it was time for me to leave school, but I wanted to study more. I found a way to do this. I started to teach younger children. From the money that I got, I was able to continue my studies. Okay, children. So till 5 it was okay. Government also used to pay, but till 6, after 6, you need more copies, more stationery, right? So you need more money. And they were poor. So their parents simply said, no, it's not gonna be possible. She said, no, I'll take care of my studies and my expenses. So how she did? She started teaching to young children. She started taking tuitions, right? And by the money what she used to get after teaching, she used to use it for her studying. Okay, children. So though she was in class 6, but she was teaching younger children. Yeah, like class 1 and 2. Okay. One sweet memory. This is interesting. Yeah. I remember some older boys in my village has used to teach young children. Okay. Some boys also used to teach some young children. They did not like it when I started teaching. Okay, the boys used to teach initially, but they didn't like when she started teaching. They started to scold and scare my children so that they would not come to me. For some time, all the children except 2 stopped coming to me. But soon they all came back because I used to teach them with love and care. Okay? So the boys used to scare the children, do not go to her, do not go to Anita, and they stopped coming and come to me, just like that they used to do. So those children, they started going to those boys, and soon, see, they have the tendency, and the boys, if they can scare somebody, means they are scaring, no. So it is not possible. So what happened? Children went there for few days, and then they realized that this is not the place I should go. Then they came back to Anita. Okay, children. So let's move ahead. Let's talk. Do you know someone who wanted to study but could not do so? Talk about them in the class. So you will have to tell me, okay, that anyone you know who wanted to study and they couldn't go, right? So we have to encourage them to go to school. We'll have to help them so that they can go to school. Yeah, children? This is very important, children. Every child has the right to free education till class 8. Right to free education till class 8, up to class 8. Do you think all the children are able to study to class 8? If it is free, okay, free education, then everybody should be able to study, no? Right? Do you know RTE? We also have some children. Yeah, RTE children. So we encourage in our school, we are encouraging, every class has RTE children. So this is the very, very, very important question, children, okay? Please mark it important, right? This is very important question. It has always been asked. What is RTE 2009? This provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child age 6 to 14. This provides the right of free education, free and compulsory education to each child from class ages 6 to 14. Okay, so you have, it is RTE question will be always asked. You have to be very, very careful what you're writing. This provides the free and compulsory education to each child aged what is the age class age 6 to 14 years, means class 1 to 8. Okay, moving ahead. Slowly, I started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. Okay, so now she started talking to other parents, right, in the village about sending their daughters to school, because most of the parents who have daughter in her village, they were not sending the children girls to go to school, right? Then she became an example, and she just started going and visiting the parents, and she wanted to inform everybody that please let your girl go to school. Yeah, this is a free education and every child has her own right. I'm just talking about the girls, because the girls were only who were left behind and they were not allowed to go to school. So she used to go and tell and speak to their parents that this is the right of your girl, that to go to the school, and look at me, I went to school and my life has changed. Okay, like this. So my parents also started helping me in my work. See how her parents changed. Now they started helping her. My mother used to do all the housework so that I could get more time to study. Right? Now her mother used to help her. All the housework was already done by her mother so that she could get more time to study. A secret. What is the secret? Look at her. In a village, you are looking at a girl who is riding a bike. Can you see? She's riding a bike. Yeah? So a bike rider here. So this is a secret. What she is saying is, I learned how to ride a motorcycle. I learned how to ride a motorcycle. I did not tell anyone. I fell down and got hurt many times. But I was happy. Why she was happy? When you want to learn something and you keep making mistakes and keep falling, even whatever you are learning, and when finally you are able to do it, you are so happy. Yeah, that's how she is also very happy. Yeah, so school. Now from school to beekeeping, this we are going to see in the next one.